Hello there, Sageon citizens and fellow enlightenment seekers. I'm Dr. Lorenzo, the chief philosopher and a proud citizen of the Sageon Nation. Here's what we're talking about today.
Ever feel like the world is just too loud to think? According to Pew Research, political tension is now the leading source of stress and social disconnection in the United States and many other countries. But let's be clear, this isn't about disagreement. It's about disconnection driven by shallow, unexamined identities and tribal thinking. Principle 1 urges you to honor your enlightened self. That means refusing to let outrage culture hijack your clarity. Principle 4 challenges you to live authentically, free from scripted responses, media manipulation, or performative opinions. Let's talk solutions. First, practice digital hygiene. Unfollow the echo chambers. Curate your mental diet like your body depends on it, because it does. How? Ask yourself, does this content inform me or just inflame me? Use tools like screen time limits, unfollow features, and balance news aggregators. If it feels emotionally addictive or always one-sided, it's noise, not nourishment. Second, develop cognitive empathy. You don't have to agree, but you can ask, what are they afraid of? How? Start by listening for the fear beneath the opinion. Is it fear of loss, of change, of irrelevance? You'll find that most extreme views are rooted in emotional pain, not policy logic. Recognizing that helps you engage or disengage with wisdom, not war. And third, reclaim yourself beyond political identity. You are not your party. You are not your timeline. You are consciousness choosing its expression. How? Pay attention to when your views feel performative, when you say things to belong, not because they come from your core. Authenticity feels calm, even when firm. If a political identity is distorting your peace or closing your mind, it's not truth, it's a costume. Stillness is your superpower. Wisdom doesn't need a megaphone. And when enough of us return to stillness, the noise loses its grip. So until next time, stay wise, stay sovereign, and keep seeking the light. Like, subscribe, and share if you're ready to rise above the chaos and reclaim your inner compass. Drop your reflections below. We read every one. Let this be your quiet revolution.